tardes, amigos. Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. Don't be alarmed, my little Chihuahua Mookie will be back next week. She's just on vacation. I'm going to do a quick drink. This is called a Fancy Brandy, so it's a martini style drink. Got my cocktail shaker. A little bit of ice. 2 ounces of brandy. Now this is a tiki bar, so I have a rum brandy mix today. 1/4 ounce of Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur. A 1/4 teaspoon of fine sugar, so I just have a little bit. I'm just going to give it a little kiss of the fine sugar. Dash of bitters, so I'll just have some Angostura bitters today. And we'll give that a little shake. And into a martini glass it goes. And I have a lovely lemon wedge as a garnish. And that, my friends, is a Fancy Brandy Martini. That concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.